Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lock rows in Excel. First, understand that Excel's lock feature is part of worksheet protection. It doesn't truly lock rows until you protect the entire sheet. We'll cover the simple steps to enable this. This ensures your critical data remains untouched, even when others are working on the same file. It's a fundamental skill for anyone managing shared Excel documents. To begin, open your Excel workbook. Highlight the specific rows or cells you want to remain editable after protection. Right-click on your selection, then navigate to Format Cells. In the Protection tab, uncheck the Locked box. This step is counterintuitive, but it marks these cells as unlocked * before * you apply sheet protection. Remember, all cells are locked by default. Now for the crucial step, protecting the sheet. Head over to the Review tab in Excel's ribbon. Click on Protect Sheet. Here, you can set a password, which is highly recommended for security. You also get options to specify what users are allowed to do, such as selecting unlocked cells or formatting columns. Once confirmed, only the cells you explicitly unlocked can be modified. For best practices, always save your workbook immediately after applying sheet protection. This ensures your changes are permanent. If you have multiple sheets, consider using different passwords for each for enhanced security. Remember, this method protects cells, not entire rows in the traditional sense. It's about controlling cell editability. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial thinking, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.